Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a dollar store business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a dollar store business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Dollar store owners can make a lot of money. Conservative customers prefer to save money on everyday items such as soap, laundry detergent, and toothpaste. When starting a dollar store, use your savings or apply for a bank loan. Starting from scratch or purchasing a franchise will most likely require up to $100,000 or more. Get a vendor's license for your dollar store because you'll need to collect sales taxes from intrastate customers. Step 1. Count the number of dollar stores in your general vicinity. Determine whether your community requires another dollar store. If the competition in your town is too intense, consider relocating to a nearby city or town. Step 2. Determine whether you want to buy a franchise. Look for franchisors on the internet, such as Dollar General or Family Dollar, to see if you can benefit from their training and brand recognition. If you don't want to buy a franchise, you can start your own dollar store from scratch. Step 3. Locate a wholesale supplier for your dollar store venture. Visit naw.org to learn more about the National Association of Wholesaler Distributors. If a discount wholesaler is the featured speaker, attend one of the organization's seminars. Go to tradepub.com and look for retail trade magazines. Order free publications to give to potential wholesalers. Step 4. Contact wholesalers. Speak with wholesalers who offer diverse product lines so that you only need one supplier. Choose the wholesale supplier with the lowest average per unit product costs. Keep the wholesale price list in a binder for easy ordering. Step 5. Ask your wholesale supplier for a list of suggested retail prices. Step 6. Locate a site for your dollar store. Look at demographics such as average family income in the area you're interested in. For demographic information, contact the local Chamber of Commerce or City Hall. Choose a retail location in a high-traffic area, such as a strip mall. Step 7. Instead of hiring employees early on, collaborate with your spouse or family members. If necessary, hire 1 or 2 employees, preferably a manager who can manage shifts. Place a job advertisement in your local newspaper several weeks before your company opens. Step 8. Place an order with your wholesaler. Install store fixtures like cabinets, shelving units, and in-store signage. Put your products on the shelves. Set up your cash registers, office computer, printer, and fax machine. Step 9. Post flyers for your dollar store on car windows. Inquire with the press about writing a newspaper article about your new dollar store. With large balloons and if the grand opening banner, hold a grand opening sale. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a dollar store business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.